Man, oh man. So George Lucas wasn't into the blue screen at first. You had to kind of sell him on that idea.
Yeah, not only that, but he wanted to shoot it in 1.85. And we're thinking, George, this is a space opera. You can't shoot this in 1.85. You know, it has to be widescreen. We shoot in Panavision, you know, 2.3,
Right.
5:1, you know.
Okay, I see.
And and so he kind of grumblingly went along with that. I mean,
Yeah.
when you think about it, he shot More American Graffiti in Techniscope, which is a widescreen format, but it's only 2 per 35, so it's kind of low quality.
Okay.
You know, but we wanted to shoot using VistaVision, which is a double frame format, so that when we would shoot the models with spherical lenses, and and then when we composited them, we composited them in reduction. So we reduced in composite, and by doing that, we saved the image quality. And so our material looked, and it cut with normal material that was shot with a regular Panaflex.
Okay.
So we shot with a larger format. All of the images that we shot were double frame format. The
Hmm.
camera is going through the camera sideways and pulling 8 perfs at a time instead of going vertically and pulling 4 perfs. So it's double the image, and so that advantage we used, and it also gave us the advantage of being able to shoot the camera upside down. So
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. Alright, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats. And all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. For real, not very good.